All right, this video is going to be amazing. I'm going to show you 3 awesome SEO strategies. Christmas came early, so let me dive in here. So the first one is going to be backlinks. I'm going to show you how to build backlinks with Claude. I'm going to give you an amazing prompt to be able to do this and put this all together and show you how to implement it. I'm going to show you how to track and improve AI citations. I'm also going to show you how to use that same information to improve traffic. All 3 of these are going to pair together and they're all going to stem from one Claude Code prompt that I'm going to give you. This is going to be amazing. Let's dive in. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it now. So the first step is this prompt. If you type prompt below, I will send this to you. I'll send you a link where you can get access to this prompt and you can copy and paste it. But basically what this prompt does is it gives Claude a role, gives it the context. So you put your brand information in here. It's going to give you a mission to generate the 15 high buy intent prompts. It's going to give it the intent criteria, the methodology behind it, and then the output format and the constraints. So that is a very quick overview of the prompt and what it does. But basically, we are going to use the information from this prompt to get the backlinks, the AI citations, and the traffic, the 3-for-1 deal that I told you about. So we're going to run this. I did like a shoe brand. It's like No Bull Shoes. I already copied and pasted that in there. I'm just going to hit enter and we are going to let this baby run. All right, so it is popping out the prompts for my shoe brand here. And here are the prompts. So basically the prompts are what people are typing into ChatGPT or Claude. Or even Google now to search for things that they want to know about a specific product, a specific brand, something to fulfill a need. So in the past, and this is important because buyer behavior is changing. AIs are actually changing how people are searching, because in the past, if you go to Google, you would search for like shoes, or you would search for running shoes or something like that, where it is very broad. And the reason why you would do that is because it didn't have the AI overviews. Because if you went super specific, you're going to get a bunch of junk that's going to come up because it's way too specific. So the search queries aren't going to be as good. It's not going to be broad enough to give you a good batch of information. But now with the AI overviews and ChatGPT and all that, it's changing how people search, and people are searching in a more specific way because they know that they can. They know that they're going to get better results if they give it more information, if they are more specific. And it's the same thing with when ChatGPT and these AIs first came out. People were searching and asking for very broad things, and they were getting a lot of fluff answers. So they realized really fast that, hey, if I give it more information and more specific information, it's going to give me a lot better outputs. So that's how SEO is changing. So this is part of the change, and this is something that we can start to use as our advantage. So what we have to do now, depending on your brand, what comes up here, these are the searches that are most likely happening for your brand across the board. I'm switching from Metcons because the upper whatever keeps blowing out. What's the most durable alternative for rope climbs? Best shoe for hybrid athletes who lift heavy and also do running WODs. So this is like workout of the day. That's like a CrossFit thing. So what you can do then, there's a couple of things that we can do with these prompts. This is all very good information. So the first thing, in terms of backlinks, we want to see what is showing up for these backlinks. So we can go to whatever AI we want, whether it be ChatGPT or Claude. I'm just using ChatGPT because we already used Claude. So we're going to do a search and kind of see what comes up as far as what gets cited for this prompt or this search query. So actually, the No Bull shoe is coming up. Nike is coming up here. All right, here we go. So these are the search results. So what we're looking for here and what we want to see here is actually the information that's popping up that could be citing this information. So we're looking for like articles and different sources of information that's coming up. So the sources here we can click on and we can kind of see, okay, Reddit's here, Swift Running is up here. So these are the different sources. So what you can do then is you can go through, and this is where the AI is pulling the information. So what you want to do, and what this is telling us is, if your brand is not showing up in these sources, you want to see if you can get it to show up in these sources, right? So the easiest way to do that is to look at the sources, dive into each source and see, are you showing up in here? If not, see if they have a way to get a backlink to your product. So a lot of these, maybe not this website, but a lot of websites will offer, they'll do like a backlink exchange, or they'll have a news section or an article section where you can ask them to feature your product, or you can see if you can write an article for them, or whatever the case may be, or a link exchange. You'll link to their site if they link to your site. That's the easiest way. So there is some outreach involved, but these are the top sources that you want to get in here and you want to get cited for. So these are a lot of featured articles. So I would reach out to this company and say, hey, can you do a featured article on my newest no bull shoe? They may charge a small fee, but it's worth it if you can get a high backlink, a high DR backlink back to your site, because it's going to help you in a variety of different ways. Backlinks are still king in terms of SEO. So the more backlinks, especially high DR backlinks that you can get, the more chances of being found in AI overviews, in ChatGPT, in all of the search results. So that's what you have to do. That's what I suggest you do with these prompts, is you go through it, you look at the sources and see which are the easiest ones to go out and get in. So Men's Journal, Fleet Fit, GQ magazine. So these are at the high end, right? If you have a local business, or you have a smaller business, it's going to be a lot easier to get backlinks, and they're going to be a lot more obtainable than trying to get featured in Men's Journal, right? So this is just an extreme example, but you get the point. I'm not going to beat a dead horse, but that is what you have to do. Go through these and do these searches and find the best websites to get featured on. And locally, it's going to be a lot of probably like index sites. It's going to be, it's going to be local news sites possibly. So it's going to be a lot easier, is what I'm trying to say. But these prompts are a great starting point, and they're multifaceted. So that's step one. Backlinks, one, boom, done. That's really obtainable for you to get several or a bunch of backlinks really, really fast by reaching out to these companies. Number two is we want to ensure that we are getting featured in the AI overviews, right? So we can check this with these prompts, but we want to monitor our success long term. So the easiest way to do that is with a tool that I use for my businesses and other clients' businesses. And this is where the LLMs and AI citations and then also traffic comes from. So they have an LLM brand monitor that you can use to monitor these prompts that you just came up with. So it's really easy to set up. You just go in here, do a new monitor, put your website in. It'll ask for brand information, and then it'll provide you with starting prompts to monitor. But then you can put in your own prompts. So if I go into one of these other brands, you can see these are the prompts that it's monitoring, but I can add my own prompt in here. So I can literally copy and paste, that prompt that we just did in here, and then we can monitor it. So once we start getting backlinks and reaching out, we can see, okay, did our visibility increase for this? Also the sentiment. You want to make sure that your sentiment's good, because there could be bad press out there. There could be people talking trash about your brand, which we don't want either. So then also what you can do is you can click into each of these and kind of see at a granular level, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, all the Gemini, all kind of where you're showing up on each of the AIs across the board, overall visibility, overall sentiment. So this is really a kind of game changer. It's one of a kind type thing that you don't see anywhere else, because it is very specific to LLMs and the specific prompts that people are searching for. So all of those, what I would do is go here, copy all of these in the brand monitor, and then make sure that we are monitoring this long term. Now, the other thing, this is the final missing piece of all of this. This is the third, the third bonus, the third bang for your buck that I'm talking about, where all this kind of comes together, and that is traffic. So this all comes together in terms of traffic. So if you want to increase your traffic, so we hit on the AI citations piece, right? Showing up there and doing the things, getting backlinks, building up your backlink profile. Now we want to hit on the traffic. How do we increase our traffic? How do we get crazy amounts of traffic from what we've already done? And again, this goes back to Arvow. What you can do in Arvow is one of the many features that they have for SEO, and one of the better features, one of the best features outside of this brand monitor is content creation. So you can go in here and you can create amazing bottom of the funnel, high search intent content based on those prompts to ensure that you're getting found. Because yes, backlinks will help you get found and get cited, but your own content will help you get found and get cited as well. If you create a piece of content that has this as the title and all the information is tailored to this prompt, but it has your brand information in there, they are more than likely going to cite you in terms of an AI overview or in ChatGPT or in Claude, because you have a whole article built out on this specific prompt. So what I would do is go in here, you do SEO article, you just give it that title, right? And you can put all these in a spreadsheet and upload this in batch. You give it a keyword, you can give it like noble running shoes or whatever the case may be. You hit add keywords, it will go to an input, and then from here we can generate the article on that specific prompt. These are some example ones. I'm not going to do it because it takes like a minute to generate and I don't only have to wait. But this is what you can do to create, and then you link, you can integrate your website and it'll automatically publish it to your website. The other thing that you can do is you can configure this to include all of your brand assets. So this is where this is next level, right? We don't want to just create a generic article. We want to create an article targeting that prompt that has our brand information in it. So the AI, Arvow's AI is going to use your brand information and assets around that prompt idea to create an amazing brand-friendly article about that topic, featuring your products, featuring your pages. So you can basically include your knowledge base. You can do this and include your website. So it's pulling all the information from your website to use in the articles. You can add a call to action, buy now, book now, whatever you want to do. You can internally link. You can add your sitemap. So it's linking to other pages on your website. So you're getting that link juice. It's connecting everything together, creating more authority for all of your pages. It'll externally link if you want it to other trusted sites, sources. You can add your own images, or it'll create ones for you. If you have a shoe brand, you're going to add in all of your own images. It's going to use your own images in the articles. You can add in your own YouTube, or it'll find a relevant YouTube video that matches your topic and embed it in there for you. So this is where this becomes next level. And you can kind of go in here and see some of these generations of this. So let me just go in here. So here's one for like, if you have like a mechanic, here's one for brakes. My brakes are making a rattling sound. What do I do? A lot of people are searching that way because they need a solution. So I'm giving them the solution and I'm linking back to my website so that they can book an appointment, book a consultation. So, and they're creating these in an SEO-friendly way, super SEO friendly in terms of how they're doing it, because they're doing all the back-end SEO, meta descriptions, alt text, H3s, H2s. All this stuff is aligned for AI overviews and for SEO to get you guys more traffic. So that's it. I mean, again, you can go in here and integrate this with your website so it'll automatically generate these and publish it. But that's how I would be using this. I would go in here and literally add all of these to the LLM monitor, reach out to the sources in here is number 2. Number 3, create articles for all of these prompts centered around my specific products. So that is the threefold way to explode your business, get backlinks, get cited in LLMs, and get a lot more traffic. And that's the type of strategies that companies like this are doing literally right now that you can duplicate and you can do as well. Because you see, this company is no short in terms of traffic, no short in terms of AI overviews or backlinks or any of it. They're absolutely killing it. So if you want prompt, type prompt below. The link to Arvow is below. That's a game changer for SEO. Hopefully all of this helps you guys implement this stuff and start changing the trajectory of your business and overtaking your competition, because a lot of people just aren't doing this.